Hello, my name is Kevin Dunlap, and I'm the founder of Optimal Performance Academy. And I wanted to introduce you to our upcoming one-day workshop that is called the Business Kickstarter Workshop. Now, this is going to be a virtual event, so you can watch it from the comforts of your own home. However, this class will also be experiential, and you will meet some of the other people who are taking the class. Now, some of the topics that we're going to be covering are going to be the importance of strategic planning. Also, how to do your market research as well as your customer analysis. Making sure that you're attracting the right people so you don't keep going after the wrong people, wasting all that time, all that money, and all that effort in chasing the wrong people. We're also going to be covering how to build a strong value proposition. Now, having that strong value proposition is how you're going to be actually able to attract those clients to your business. We're also going to be talking about your effective marketing and branding strategies. Now, what colors are part of your brand? What else is part of you that makes you unique? How do you stand out above your competition? We're also going to be covering things like financial management and funding. Where do you get funding for your business? How do you do crowdfunding, or how do you attract more people who want to invest in your business so that you can grow a lot more effectively? We're also going to be talking about operational efficiency as well as scalability. How do you scale your business so that you can maximize the use of your time so that you can actually build something much bigger than you have right now? The next thing is, what about networking or collaboration? Did you realize that having people that are possibly in a similar field as you and you collaborate with each other, you both can grow your business exponentially? The next thing is, what about your resilience and your adaptability? How do you adapt to changing times? If you were running a business back in 2019, 2020, and COVID came in and shut the whole world down, were you able to sustain and or adapt to those changes? Now also, what are your action steps? What action steps do you need to be taking? And then how do you implement all this information into your business? And last thing is, what about your ongoing support as well as your ongoing learning? We'll cover all of this in the Business Kickstarter Workshop. If this sounds like something you might be interested in, go ahead and click on the button below, register for the workshop, and I'll see you guys on the inside. Until next time, be amazing.